Hi guys, Rhonda Winstead here with you. Hello, hello, hello. It is good to be here. Um, I had a recent new subscriber who messaged me and asked if I had a hacks. She didn't see a journal hacks playlist and was wondering about that. And I thought, you know what, that's kind of a great idea. And so I am adding a new playlist that I'm going to just call Journal Hacks. And the idea is, when I think about it, to put some short videos to just go over just little journaling tips. I do it when I do a regular video. I have often given tips and tricks as I've gone along, but I've never done one specifically, for that purpose. And so this is a brand new thing. So thank you to my new subscriber for the idea. I think it's amazing. So the first one that I'm doing today, it's super simple. Many of you have done it, I have no doubt, but let's just go ahead and get started. Except blah, blah, blah. I forgot. Hello, duh. It is wonderful to see you. I am so happy that you are here, that you're joining me. And I hope that this will be just a fun, just super fun, super simple when you're thinking about, oh, what do I want to do here or there? Well, I don't know. Well, maybe there's some tips and tricks that, I can give a try. All right. So here we go. The one today, we are just going to take paper. This is a sturdy paper. It's from a dictionary. This is a strip that's 2 inches wide. And I am just going to cut whoops, 3 of these. I have 1 already cut out. So I am going to do 3 more. And this is so simple. You're just going to be like, how dumb, how, whatever. So what we are doing is we are creating what do you call them when you put on the edge of books, on journal pages? Duh. Let me get my recent. We're putting the corners on, but we're making our own. And as you can see, they are super, super simple. So I am just going from one corner to the opposite corner. Let's go ahead and for this part, let's make it so you can see real easily. Okay. And then we're going to open it up very carefully. And we are going to do the very same thing to the opposite side. And you can use a pencil, edge of scissors, or whatever you have. I'm using a bone folder. And I'm just putting a nice crease in those corners. So then I will go ahead and we'll do the others the same way. And you want to do 4 because you're going to cover each of your corners for your journal, front and back. And I recommend using a little bit of a stiffer paper. Cardstock works nicely. These are a journal from a map book that I had. Let's see, we'll go ahead with this one and do it this way. And so, and you can do them different sizes. It's just kind of fun to play with. And they have a practical purpose, but they also have a definite decorative element to them as well. Let's see, let me turn that so that light is not quite as glaring on you. Okay. Now, what I have done with this first one, I have cut out, you can see the triangles. I've cut out one of the triangles on each. So let's do that and decide which one to cut out. And I'm just going to the center and then doing the same on the other side. And that can be used as whatever or not. And on this one, I'm going to go ahead and cut out this part. The big lettering isn't as appealing to me. And you don't have to be perfect with it, but you kind of decide which you want to be the show, or you cut out the one that you think, well, I really don't want that one, and and you eliminate that one. And then they just fold so neatly, and it's just a fun thing. Okay, so let's bring in now our journal, and let's go ahead and make that just a little bit larger. Okay, so the opposite of the cutout is going to be my corner, okay? And it's just a matter of hugging that, kind of pushing it down, hugging it, and then hugging it on the other side, and you're just gluing it down. See how fun? Okay, so let's go ahead and let's apply the glue. I don't remember exactly when it was I learned to do these, but it was when I was scrapbooking, I'm pretty sure, several years ago. And quite honestly, I have used a lot of the Tim Holtz corners on journals through the years. And I still do, and I love that look. There's nothing wrong with that. This is just a little something different. And sometimes you can't get a hold of those corners from Tim Holtz, or they're not available in your area, or whatever the case may be. But this gives you an amazing option. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Oh, I see I did just a little bit. I could have been just a little bit more careful with that. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's put these others on as well. And then by the time we get done with this, you are going to be a pro, and you're going to want to put this on all your little journals. And this would be fun definitely for a decorative element, giving it just that added little bit of personality. Okay, so let's pay a little bit closer attention as we lay this one down. Okay, that was better. I did a better job on this one. I didn't look when I folded that top one. It's still nice, and I don't mind that at all. So there we go. There's two. Let's go ahead and get these other two done. So I do definitely want to thank my subscriber, and I'm sorry I don't remember who it was, but if it was you, shout out in the video here. I'd love to give you recognition for sure. I am happy to, I love ideas, and I do think that that was an extremely clever thought, clever idea, and I give you credit, my dear. And I'll do more as we go along, as I think of them. This one I actually was doing for a different purpose, and I thought, oh, that would be a great first hack in a video. So it was like, okay, well, let's just do that. So, yeah. Okay. All right. So there we go. We have a few little bits and pieces extra. Those can always be used again. You could, if you wanted to make this really kind of cool and special, you could do a smaller, say 1.5 inches or 1 3/4 inch square. Let's just do one just for fun. I'm not going to keep it on there, but I just want to show you to give it even added dimension. Let's see. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go 1 3/4 inch and 1 3/4 inch. And then let's go ahead and do the fold the way corner to corner. Corner number 1, and I'm kind of hurrying with this. I don't know why, but just to get her done. Kind of excited to show you. So you can, you can dress it up. You can make it a little more special. You can make it a little more fun. Yeah, okay, so let's cut out a triangle. And obviously on this one, because it's all white, it does not matter. Okay, now we go to put this on. You see? So you get a definite, let's see, let's just zoom in on that one so you can get the effect. So then you could have, and this would be the inside. So there you go. Super simple, super fast, super fun. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I shall return periodically with some more fun journaling hacks. All right, love you guys. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye now.